How to create a poll in Slack using Poly. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account, and then after that, on the left part of the screen at the bottom, tap on this Add Apps option. In here, we'll have to search for Poly. After that, simply tap on this one. And then in here, if you hadn't add Poly on your Slack account, you are supposed to see an option here, Add. Simply tap on that one. And then after that, we'll have to scroll down, and then in here, tap on this Start Command option. After that, tap on this Create a Poly option, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this Create New option. After that, we can now start creating our poll. First, we'll have to add a question. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, how many of you have submitted your report? And then once we're done creating our question, we'll also need a question type. As for me, I have selected open-ended. And then once we're done with that, we'll have to select an audience. So I'm just gonna select this channel. And then once we're done editing our poll, the last thing that we need to do is to tap on this Send Poly option. After that, we'll have to select the channel where we sent our poll. And as you can see here on this channel, I have created a poll here. So that's how easy we can create a poll in Slack using Poly. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.